Hey full fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be doing our makeup during quarantine. I actually got everything I need in that bag. But first we're gonna start with our brows. I'm just going to fill them in with this black brow pencil. I go for the black color because it's just bolder and everybody knows that your eyebrows literally make or break your face. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill them in with the black brow pencil. Next, I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Cold Tan. Some people, they put the concealer on the back of their hands just so they could distribute the product, but I put it under my eyes because I need to highlight that area anyways. But I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight under my brows and give my brows the shape that I'm going for. So a quick tip in case you guys did not know, you can mix your foundation color with your concealer. This just tones down the look when you're concealing the upper part of your eyebrows, and it helps with evening out the ashiness too. Next, I'm gonna take my beauty blender. It's currently dry. I'm gonna just spray it with my spray bottle just to get it a little bit damp. And then you see the concealer that I put under my eyes. I'm just gonna blend that out. And in a way, guys, this concealer under my eyes does serve as a color corrector too, because it does get rid of my dark marks before I put the foundation on. So that's a plus. I'm using my NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop, Get Guac. I'm so sorry. I'm using that foundation. I don't know which color, but if you guys are interested, comment down below and I'll tell you guys. But I'm gonna put that all over my face. I do like full coverage, so I was very generous. I'm just gonna go ahead and dab that all over my face. And guys, this is not a slow process. This takes a long time. I really take my time with this because this is the foundation, literally the base of your look. So it's very important that you take your time and you get it done right. Alright guys, so next I'm going to get my concealer and I'm going to be highlighting underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, under my nose, my chin, and also my forehead. I also highlighted the side of my face just so I could have a clear separation for my contour to pop out more. but I'm going to be using my beauty blender. This will be the top part of it, so not the foundation part. I'm gonna be getting those areas, and when it comes to blending out the concealed parts with my regular foundation skin, I will use the back of that beauty blender just so it can make it more seamless. Dun, 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 dun. It is now time for baking. Y'all, you know some people actually stop baking. I will never. So I'm gonna just be baking those highlighted areas, and I do put a lot of powder, guys. I want my face to be matte because I do have an oily face. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and bake my face. Next, I'm gonna be using my Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. I'm gonna be taking that brown color and I'm gonna be contouring my cheekbones, my forehead, my nose, and also my jawline. Next, I'm gonna be taking this orange and pink color just so I could put a little bit of color back on my face. Now guys, I recently just started using blush and I am in love with it. Like, look at how cute I look. Oh! Okay, so now I'm gonna get my spray bottle and I'm gonna spritz my face. Now this is full of water, guys. I don't use the regular setting sprays. I feel like it has the same effect. But next, I'm gonna put my lip gloss on, and then the rest is pretty much self-explanatory, guys. I'm gonna do my lashes, do my highlighter, and then yeah, that's it. So now it's time for my eyelashes. I bought these from Amazon. I'm trying them out. They're pretty new, so I'm gonna glue them and I'll be back. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my mascara. Y'all, I am back and I don't like these lashes. They're so dramatic, but look at these though. I'm used to these. These are amazing, but these are the finishing results, guys. Look at me pose. Wait, pose. Wait, pose. Ooh, wait, ready for it, slash. Ooh, So now I'm just casually acting a fool, feeling my stuff, whatever. I got myself cute during quarantine, not gonna go nowhere, but it's cool. But thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, out. Love you.